I have just returned from the Dodge dealership where I had to take my Ram 1500 down to get the PCM reprogrammed after I replaced it, in hopes that it would remove all those error codes and misfire codes and everything I've been fighting for the last 3 months. Question is, did it work? So after many sleepless nights, the news you've all been waiting for, we finally have resolved the issue. If you remember, I had a multitude of lights on over here. I had obviously my engine warning light, I had ABS lights, I had parking brake lights. Over here there was the traction control light in this bottom corner. Over here we had the four-wheel drive system needing serviced. Everything was flashing at me, and my fuel gauge wasn't working either. But as you can see, everything's working, no lights. Absolutely overjoyed. And as you can probably hear, we are running super smooth, purring like a pussycat. Don't worry, it's just condensation again. So, what is next for Big Red? Let me show you. I need to get them all tidied up, ready for sale, which means time to attack these rusty holes. I don't mind doing this now because I've ordered some new rocker panels. Now, NZ Mopar recommended I just get one for each side. I was going to get like just one and cut it in half because I didn't really have to do the front, but it would actually be a lot less work just to replace the entire sill. We call them sills, you call them rocker panels, but it would be easier to replace the entire thing rather than having a cut down the middle. So that's what I'm doing. They should arrive either the end of this week or next week. And hello Bugsy. If you remember Al at Hook's Hot Rods, he dropped by with one of these flange tools. Air powered obviously. It also does little, it's a little hole punch as well, which is perfect because the way I'm going to attach the rocker panels, you basically sort of spot weld along the bottom and weld along the top, but I will need this flange tool so that I can slot the panels together. That will make more sense when we get there. Alan also brought me something for Bugsy. Alan brought me this. If you remember on Bugsy, I have got the fuel cap in completely the wrong place. Like there, and it should be there. Reason being, I never had the pipe work to bring it from, basically the tank inlet comes up the way there, so it goes straight down, but I wanted it coming up, along and up, so I needed a sort of S-bend. So Alan dropped by with this, so that will come up in that hole, it goes down, along, and then down again into the tank. Isn't that awesome? Alan is just one of these really thoughtful guys. I didn't ask him for this, he just knew that I had the problem, and he went out, dug about his parts bin and came up with this really nice gas cap as well. Brilliant. Thank you very much, Alan. Oh, and Alan's got his own channel, of course, so click up there and go and visit Alan, help him out with his channel. Thanks, Alan. Really appreciate that, and I'll get this flange tool back to you as soon as I'm finished with it. Oh, and while we're on the subject of Bugsy, if you remember, I fitted some new gigantic Mustang mufflers. Well, they are working out just great. I will do a little video, a wee drive around and let you hear, but they don't knock at all, which is surprising to be honest, and they sound pretty good. And yes, the droning it's not completely gone from the inside, but it's much better. As I say, I'll make a little drive about video and you can hear for yourself. In other news, I attended my first ever swap meet yesterday as a vendor, and I managed to sell about 80% of the stuff that I took. I did a short video the night before asking what I should charge. Ended up charging way less. because I just wanted rid of the stuff. I got rid of one set of wheels, still have another set of wheels, and I got $50 for a set of wheels, which is really low, but I just didn't want to put them back in the truck and then unload them and then put them in the back garden again. So, and I didn't manage to sell those massive chrome bumpers or my sandblaster, but still, I made enough pocket money that I can now go and buy some steel for the new project. So I'm really happy all round. It was a great day. The weather was amazing. Met some people, met Phil, Fred and Gary dropped by as well, and other people as well, but I didn't catch your names. Sorry, but hello, and thanks for dropping by. This has been a great month. I've achieved a lot, and also the BMW is fixed, so everything's working. New exhaust in Bugsy, and it's Halloween tonight, so I'm going to be dressing up Bugsy a little bit, dressing up the garage a little bit. When I say dressing up, you know, Halloween decorations for the kiddies, and I've got a big box of candy. It's been a good month. Okay, I'm going to go while I'm on this high. Oh, one more thing. I have opened up channel memberships if anyone wants to help contribute towards the new project, or any of the projects, to be honest. But if you would like to become a valued subscriber, well, you're all valued, but you know, a paid subscriber, then memberships down below. It's not a lot of money, but it means everything to me, and it helps me grow and buy more nonsense. I'm in a good mood, as you can probably tell. Right, I'll see you very soon for a drive in Bugsy. That should be fun and quiet. Take care, drive safe. Bye for now.